Let's recall the previous example when we wanted to make dinner. The dinner is potato salad with some chicken, and we want to purchase these things online. And we know that 1 kilogram of potatoes is $2. So this is 1 kilogram of potatoes. And also know that 1 kilogram of chicken meat is $3. So we gather here all the informations we know. And that there is a delivery price, which is $1. So this is the delivery price. And we know also that we have $10 in total what we want to spend to the dinner. So this is the total price. And that we want to make 4 kilograms of dinner. So in total, 4 kilograms is the total weight of the dinner. So these are all the informations we know, and we will calculate, and we want to calculate how many kilograms we would buy from potatoes and how many kilograms of chicken we should buy. And we will first start with writing an equation that holds the information that the total price is $10. And this we can write as the following. So because $2 is 1 kilogram of potatoes, and we buy X kilograms of potatoes, then 2 times X will be the money we spent on potatoes. And also there is some chicken, which is $3 per kilogram, and we buy Y kilograms of chicken. And also there is a delivery price, which is 1, and in total this is 10. And we use now the second information, the second condition, that the total weight of the dinner is 4 kilograms. And because of this, we can write that X plus Y, which is the total weight of the dinner, is 4. So as you can see, we have two variables, X and Y, we want to calculate, and also we have two independent informations, two conditions, and because of this, two equations. And if you meet a situation like this, then this is called a system of equations. So this is system of equations. And the method how we will solve is a systematic way, which is the following. We express one variable from one of the equations, and after that we will put this variable to the other equation. And because of this, we will only have one variable in an equation that we will be able to solve. So the first step will be to, for example, express y from the second equation. This is not necessary. You could, for example, express x from the second, or express x or y from the first equation. But I will solve like this. So y from the second equation is 4 minus x, and we will in the next step put this expression to the first equation, which is 2 times x plus 3 times 4 minus x, because this is our y variable, and we have plus 1, which equals to 10. And as you can see here in this equation, we have only one variable which we can calculate. So in the next step, we will make a nicer format for this equation, and so we have 2x here plus we will calculate this expression in a nicer format, which is 12, and we have minus 3x is here plus 1 equals 10. And the next step is to collect all the x's to one side. 2 minus 3 is minus x, and put all the other numbers to the right hand side. Here we have 13, but on the right hand side 10, so in total we will have minus 3 on the right hand side, and here we will multiply by minus 1. So and the fifth step is that we have x equals 3, and this is the solution for the system of equations. And the sixth step is to calculate y from the first step. So y equals 4 minus x, which is 4 minus 3, and this is so 1. So the solution for this problem is that we should buy 3 kilograms of potatoes and 1 kilograms of chicken meat. And here you could see that, and you can see that we have only one solution for this system of equations, because we have two independent informations, and the number of equations is equal to the number of variables we have. But this is not the case every time. I will show you in the followings two other examples, two other system of equations in which we have infinity number of solutions and zero number of solutions. So let's start with another system of equations, which is the following. 2x plus 3y equals 9. And let's suppose that we have another equation, which is the following. 4x equals 18 minus 6y. So this is our system of equations. And here, if we add 6y's to both sides, then we get 4x's plus 6y's equals 18. And if we divide by 1, so here we added 6y's, and here we divide by 2, then we get 2x plus 3y equals 9. And as you can see, this is exactly the same equation than the first one. And so the second equation holds no further information than the previous one. And this causes the fact that we have here infinity number of solutions, because the number of equations is bigger than the number of variables we have. And finally, let's look at the example when we have zero solution. And this is the following. 2x plus 3y equals 9, and x equals 5 minus 3 over 2y. And here also we will make another format of the second equation. We will add 3 over 2 y's, which means that x plus 3 over 2y equals 5, and we will multiply by 2, so we get 2x's plus 3y equals 10. And as you can see, in this first equation, we have the same expression on the left hand side than in the second equation, but we have a different number here. We have 9 but in the second equation we have 10. And this is a contradiction, and this is why we have zero number of solutions. All right, so in this video, we looked at our example, our dinner example, where we had here two equations and two variables, and we could calculate how many kilograms we should buy from potatoes and from chicken meat. And also we looked at two other system of equations in which we have infinite number of solutions and zero number of solutions. I hope you could understand the steps how we solved the system of equations, and in the next video we will solve another system of equations.